The other interesting thing to watch out for, and information now putting on your screens, is Uttar Pradesh, and where my colleague Nikita is joining us from. So, Nikita, very high expectations from, I can tell you, certain politicians in UP who are hoping that the number of faces in UP in the cabinet are going to expand. The senior most one currently, of course, being Rajnath Singh. What's the speculation? What's the conversation going on where you are, where you have your ear to the ground?
Rishabh, one name is of Manoj Sinha as well. Hopefully, we may get some place in cabinet. And also, if we talk about Uttar Pradesh cabinet expansion, then already it took place evaluating two minister of state with rank of minister, also independent charge. And Uttar Pradesh, as far as Uttar Pradesh chief minister is concerned, he expanded the state cabinet by inducting 6 new ministers in Uttar Pradesh government and 2 only ministers who get independent charges. Whereas if we talk about Bhupen Singh Chaudhary and Manoj Kumar Pandey, he took oath as cabinet minister, and now Mr. Chaudhary is an MLC, and earlier was leading the position of Bharatiya Janata Party president. And now Mr. Pandey, if we talk about, he is also an MLA from Unchahar seat who switched to Bharatiya Janata Party from Samajwadi Party before 2024 Lok Sabha election, and Krishna Paswan MLA, Surendra Diler MLA from Khair, Kailash Rajput also MLA from Tripura, and MLC Rajhans Vishwakarma score as the Minister of State. Now, if we talk about in Central where things are happening, then obviously Nitish Kumar is the utmost name which everyone is recommending, and as per the sources, former Bihar Chief Minister is likely to induct into the Narendra Modi cabinet, and which are being told from sources that Nitish Kumar is likely to be given a senior cabinet berth in a union cabinet. And from Uttar Pradesh, one name is also rolling over each and everywhere. The name is Manoj Sinha, and also some sources says Raghav Chadha, but still no confirmation of this. And Raghav Chadha is the induction is still unclear. And UP-based presentation, if we talk about Mission 27 push being in Uttar Pradesh, and new faces from Uttar Pradesh is likely to be in the union cabinet, and sources say that Uttar Pradesh-based representation. Also, the Jat leader from Western UP is also discussed, and Brahmin leader is likely to enter in cabinet. So these are the things where Uttar Pradesh is leading towards. And as far as cabinet expansion held in Uttar Pradesh now, with one name from Uttar Pradesh that is talking about Manoj Sinha,
Yes.
is more likely to happen if any changes made in
Okay, let me